r/AskReddit by Redmond Dtes. What's a geographical fact that surprised you? The country that France shares the longest border with is Brazil. French Guiana is like France's Alaska. The moon's diameter is 2,159 miles. This is approximately the distance from New York City to Salt Lake City. 2,171 miles. Lake Baikal has more fresh water than all the Great Lakes combined. It is also the oldest and deepest lake in the world. Also has plant and wildlife that don't exist anywhere else on the planet that we know of. On some maps, Greenland looks larger than South America. It is not, in fact, nearly as large. Yeah, I really thought Greenland was huge thanks to the Mercadian. Don't know the exact terminology. Effect. Learned that Greenland can cozily fit inside India with space left. Mercator projection. St. John's, Newfoundland in Canada is closer to Berlin than to Vancouver. Russia and the United States are technically only separated by a few kilometers. I've actually known this for a while, but it's one of those things that always startles me a bit when I'm reminded of it. The world is a small place, and Russia is really freaking big. And in winter it's possible to walk between Russia and the USA, because there are two islands in the Bering Strait very close to each other, one belonging to Russia and the other one belonging to the USA. In the winter the sea between the two islands freezes and you can walk on the ice between them. Everything you see in this image that is shaded in red is closer to Texas than the two most distant places in Texas are to each other. Maine is the closest state to Africa. Didn't know Australia gets more annual snowfall than Switzerland. California is north of Canada and south of Mexico. Also, San Bernardino County is the largest county in the entire United States. The correct phrasing is, the northernmost point of California is further north more than the southernmost point of Canada. The southernmost point of California is further south than the northernmost point of Mexico. The longest straight line in the ocean before you hit land. Given that the distance from the top of Everest to the deepest part of the Mariana Trench is approximately 25 kilometers, if we scaled the Earth down to the size of the smoothest cue ball ever made, the Earth would actually be smoother. The distance between Russia and the United States is less than 4 kilometers, 2.4 miles. Diomedes Islands. Washington State in the US is the only state that houses all four climate terrains. This includes a desert and a rainforest. That's all folks. Thank you for watching. Have a nice evening.